If you're tired of tomato stew or egg sauce, then this is the perfect recipe for you. Just watch to the end as I take you through on the steps on how to make this yummy cabbage sauce, okay? So here I have cabbage and I've already sliced it to my satisfaction. Here I have blended tomato, onion, ginger, garlic and pepper, sardines, and next I have salt to taste, black powder, curry powder, and then powdered pepper. Here I have my green bell pepper, and you can use all the colors if you prefer. Some carrots. Next I have onion, and you can just slice it, dice it anyhow you want it. Here I have some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I have some sausages and oil. So let's start with the cooking process. In my pan, I will go in with oil. I will go in with small quantity of oil, but you can adjust it to your preference. I will then add the onions and I am going to fry this till it is translucent, okay? If you are new to this channel, I am Hayrat and you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop any video. So I will fry this till it is translucent. I will then add my blended ingredient and allow it to fry till it is moist free, and then I will continue. And make sure to be stirring it continuously to avoid it from sticking to the pan or from burning. So we will continue to be stirring it till we get something like this, and then we move to the next chapter. So next I am going to add the fresh tomatoes, and then I will give it a stir, and then continue to allow it to fry for 5 to 7 minutes or till you are okay with it. And once it is moist free, I will then season it with my seasoning. So you can use any seasoning of choice. So I will list every ingredient I used down in the description box and you can check it out, okay? So I am going to give it a good stir for everything to be well mixed. After adding your spices, allow it to simmer for 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat, and then you can continue with the next, okay? Next, I will add my sausages. So here you can cut it in any shape you would like, okay? I will then add the sardines. And if you don't like sardines, you can just skip it. Or if you don't like the sausages, you can skip that one too as well. So give it a proper mix till everything is well combined. If you are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so before you forget, okay? Because it is absolutely free. And give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video as well, okay? And you can follow me on other socials at Hayrat's Kitchen, and you will love it there too. So after everything, I will cover this stew base or sauce base for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat, and then I will allow it to simmer. So after 7 minutes, I will come back, open it, give it a good stir once again, and then I am going to add my other ingredients. I will first go in with the carrots, and then the green bell pepper, give it a stir once again. So for this sauce, it is stirring, covering, stirring. That is how we will get a good and burnt free sauce, okay? Don't mind any distraction you hear in this video. Okay, my madam is here disturbing me, so I'm a bit somewhere. So just watch the video, okay, and pardon us as well. So next I am going to add my cabbage here. I am going to give it a stir, and you can as well add your cabbage, cover it, and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. And that way, it will be easier for you to give it a stir, okay? So I stirred it like this because my cabbage wasn't that much. So if you are doing and you want it smoothly, just cover it, allow it to simmer, and you will just stir it easy as, if you know why. So here I am going to be stirring it gently for everything to mix very, very well.
Subscribe to the channel. New video every week. Ring the bell and get notified.
Once I'm done mixing, I will cover it and allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, and then my cabbage sauce is ready. So you can actually pair this sauce with yam, rice, or even kinky, okay? And this sauce was what it was, okay? Just try this recipe and you'll love it. So I paired my own with soft boiled yam, and oh my, I enjoyed it to the fullest. So just recreate this recipe and you will love it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and then turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end, and I hope this video was really helpful for you and you're going to give it a try. Thank you once again, and see you in the next one. Bye.